Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. I'm gonna do a power hour. Why not? Okay, so it is right now 4:30 in the afternoon. It is Boston's birthday. We're gonna be celebrating his birthday kind of late tonight because Derek has a parent meeting for Jonah's lacrosse team. So Derek probably won't get home until close to 9 o'clock. So we're having cake and ice cream at 9 o'clock. Nothing is going to stop us celebrating his birthday, but I do have grandparents coming over. We might have some friends, and this house needs to get picked up. It's just cluttered. There's things everywhere. Ta-da! Yep. That's what it looks like. I can't have people coming over with the house looking like this. Come along with me. I'm gonna set my timer for an hour and we're going to pick up the main level, the entryway, clean up this. My sink is empty. My sink is empty, unbelievable. But the dishwasher does need to be emptied and the counter cleaned up and all that jazz. Jonah is out with friends and I got Boston here. Shaylee's cleaning her room, Boston's picking up. But She's in Her Apron, so you're gonna see me pick up, and we're gonna get this done in an hour, because in an hour, I'm gonna make clam chowder. Yum. That's what Boston wants for his birthday dinner. So, before I get going on that chowder, this place is gonna be picked up, ready to party. Okay, friends, come along with me, and let's plow through this mess. Aprons on, let's go. that a nice birthday surprise? Yeah.
And put them right here. One more. There's something written in that notebook, okay?
Okay.
In your mind, okay? I'll choose. You gotta say apple.
Apple? Yes!
Oh my goodness. Woo! Got it all done with time to spare. And if you noticed, Callie came home to surprise Boston for his birthday, so that was awesome. We got to hang out a little bit with her and her friends. So now I can get working on the clam chowder and get ready for Boston's birthday festivities. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you guys are doing good, and we'll see you soon. Bye.